let's talk about the sailor doctor who discovered the first law of thermodynamics. Hi everyone, welcome back to Young Researcher. Today we are diving into the fascinating story of adventure, science and bandages. That's right. This is the story of Julius Robert von Mayer, a man who became a sailor doctor, discovered the first law of thermodynamics and almost changed the world. Well, almost. Let's sail to the 1840s. Von Mayer was a German physicist with a restless spirit. He wasn't just a doctor, he was an adventurer. Tired of a routine life, he joined a ship as a medical officer, treating sailors as they journeyed across the world. One day, while treating a sailor in tropical climate, von Mayer noticed something peculiar. The sailor's blood looked brighter than it did back home. Weird, right? But here's the twist. Von Mayer was a deep thinker. He realized this difference was linked to how the human body uses energy. In tropics, less energy is needed to stay warm, so the body conserves energy, leading to this bright red blood. Bam! That's when inspiration struck. Von Mayer had a groundbreaking idea. Energy isn't created or destroyed, it just changes forms. That's the first law of thermodynamics. When he tried to publish his findings, he hit a wall. His scientific writing wasn't scientific enough. It was just dismissed. He didn't give up. Years later, he rewrote his work, refining his theories, but by then, it was just too late. Meanwhile, in Britain, James Joule, who was rich enough to take private tuitions from the scientist Dalton, was experimenting in his own personal lab. He, armed with precision instruments and rigorous experiments, had already demonstrated the same principle. Joule showed how mechanical energy could be converted into heat energy, proving the first law of thermodynamics. Von Mayer's name faded into obscurity while Joule's experiments earned him widespread recognition. The unit of energy, the joule, is also named after him. But let's not forget von Mayer. He may not have the tools to prove his discovery, but his idea paved the way for modern physics. Today we remember him as a visionary, a sailor doctor who dared to think big. So long, folks. Subscribe for more such content. See you.